Hi, hello everyone. Magandang hapon, magandang gabi kung saan man kayo naroroon, no, dito sa ating social media platform. This is Oscar again from Liwaliw Travel Network, guys. And today, different day, no? Dako na naman tayo sa ating session kung saan magkakaroon tayo ng as we've mentioned in our previous video, itong ating regular session of pricing live quote comparison sa ating platform at sa ating mga rival na mga online travel agency as well, no? So for the meantime, checking ko lang po kung nakaset up na po ng ayos tong live natin. So please bear with me. Okay, so live na po tayo sa ating FB pages. And check lang po natin dito sa other left side itong ating TikTok. I think live na rin ito, no?
TikTok, I think live na
Okay. So guys, no, kung mapapadpad kayo dito sa aming platform, anyway, this is Oscar,
guys, no?
from Liwaliw Travel Network, guys, no? And as I've mentioned, dito na po kami sa aming official TikTok account sasagawa ng aming live session, no? So kung ikaw ay Pilipino from Canada or US, please follow us dito sa aming TikTok account, sa Facebook, sa YouTube at Instagram, all our social media platform po. You are welcome to visit us, no? And as I've mentioned, today is a different day. Bali, maghahanap na naman tayo ng ating live session, no? Sa paghahanap ng airfare travel, no? Dito sa ating platform.